Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'll be showing you how you can permanently delete your account on LinkedIn. Before deleting the account, you need to make sure of some things, like you won't have access to your connections or any information that you have added to your account, or your profile will no longer be visible on LinkedIn. If you have any premium membership, that will be deleted as well. You need to make sure that you have a copy of your data or you have downloaded all the contacts from your profile. Once you are done backing up your data, you need to click on your Me icon here and click on Settings and Privacy. Once you are in your settings, you need to click on the Account Preferences. Once you are here in this page, you need to scroll all the way down. Under the Account Management, you can see there's an option for Close Account. Just click on this. And now you need to click on the Continue. You can select any reason for why you are going to close your account. I'm going to click on Other and click on Next and write the reason for closing your account. Click on Next, and in the last you need to write your password, and once you are done writing your password, just click on Done. Once you are done with this, your LinkedIn account will be deleted. And that's how you can delete your LinkedIn account. If you have any questions, do let me know in the comment section below, and if you like the video, make sure to leave thumbs up and also subscribe to the channel for more. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one.